In this video, you'll learn how to fix the issue of your P2P wallet not showing on Binance. By following these steps, you will be able to check your wallet section, refresh the app, and contact support if necessary. Begin by logging into your Binance account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the wallet section, which is usually accessible from the main menu at the bottom of the screen. In the wallet area, look for the option labeled Fund in Wallet. This is where your P2P balances are stored. It is essential to ensure that you are checking the correct wallet type, as Binance may have multiple wallet options available. After verifying the wallet section, if you still do not see your P2P wallet, the next step is to refresh the app. You can do this by pulling down on the screen if you are using a mobile device. Alternatively, you can log out of your account and then log back in. This action can help refresh the data displayed in your app. Additionally, ensure that you have the latest version of the Binance app installed. If updates are available, they will typically be prompted in the App Store for your device. Updating the app can resolve many display issues. If refreshing the app does not solve the problem, consider clearing the app's cache. This action can be done through your device's settings. Navigate to the app settings, select Binance, and find the option to clear cache. This step can help eliminate any temporary data that may be causing the wallet not to show correctly. If your P2P wallet still does not appear after following these steps, your next course of action is to contact Binance support. To do this, visit the support section of the Binance app or website. Prepare to provide screenshots of the issue and any relevant account details. This information will assist the support team in diagnosing the problem more efficiently. Be aware that it may take some time for them to respond, so patience is necessary as you await an official resolution. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.